Introducing the SandCan System, the newest and best-in-class containerized mobile storage and transportation system from Logic Haul Logistics. The SandCan System has three main parts: the SandCan, that carries the proppant from mine to wellhead and can store it anywhere along the way; the partitioned direct-to-blender feed system that positions over the blender and lets you change the proppant mix during the frac; and the RT290 that makes setup and delivery easy under almost any condition. Together, the SandCan System components eliminate the need for belts, bucket conveyors, silos, cranes, forklifts, and sand kings. It's the complete solution for getting proppant on site and in the blender. Let's look at getting the SandCan on site. Trucks deliver the sand cans. Since the SandCan is fastened by corner pins, no chains or tie downs are needed. Demurrage risk is virtually eliminated. The truck with the empty can is on its way. When it comes time to ship out empty sand cans, up to 3 empty cans can be backhauled on a single flatbed. Truck turn time is just a few minutes. Compare that with up to 30 minutes needed for a typical pneumatic transfer. With such a fast truck turn time, sand cans can deliver the frac with as few as half the trucks. So you need fewer drivers. So drivers earn more money. So drivers are happier. So you keep your drivers. At frac time, the RT290 takes a full sand can and places it on the partitioned direct-to-blender hopper. The blender operator manages the flow to the blender from a control panel inside the blender cabin. The SandCan system stays well ahead of demand during the frac. In fact, the SandCan system can have all the sand you need for a full frac ready over the blender, taking only 15 minutes to load what the blender can use in an hour. Different grades of proppant are on hand and available to be mixed in at any time. So, what's missing from this picture? The need for ground personnel is limited. Belts, buckets, silos, and other complicated sand equipment are eliminated. And since the whole system is gravity fed, dust is greatly reduced during transfer from can to hopper. With the rapid unload system and the above-the-direct-to-blender storage, SandCan virtually eliminates the worry of running out of sand during the frac. It all makes the SandCan system one of the safest, cleanest, lowest maintenance, fastest, and most efficient proppant delivery methods in the industry. Let's take a look at the SandCan itself. Simple, smart, and safe. Each SandCan holds up to 24 short tons, unloads in seconds, is stackable, and protects the payload from mine to wellhead. The direct-to-blender feed system positions directly over the blender, and all components are operated from within the blender cabin. It is partitioned, giving you the flexibility to change the proppant mix whenever you want, all during the frac. The RT290 is a critical component of the SandCan system. Initially designed to meet the rigorous requirements of the United States military, the RT290 sets a new standard for rugged reliability, safety, and versatility for the oil fields, with millions of hours of military service under its belt. The RT290 is the only choice for heavy container handling in off-road and unimproved ground conditions, all with a 95% maintenance uptime. The RT290 and its cargo are much more secure than a forklift. It can lift higher and gives the operator a clear 360-degree view of the job site. RT stands for rough terrain, and the RT290 can safely travel on unimproved grades of up to 27 degrees, and the RT290 is also an indispensable service vehicle. With all that strength, versatility, and the proper attachments, it's an all-purpose workhorse on the job. Safety is our first concern, and our system greatly reduces dust, demurrage, and sand cleanup. Fewer ground personnel are needed. High maintenance and often dangerous mechanical systems, gone. The RT290 provides the operator with exceptional situational awareness. It is equipped with a rear-facing, active view collision avoidance system, so that when an object or person enters the radar range, the system transmits an audible alarm and selects the required camera for the operator to view and take action. While there's no better containerized system for proppant and well site utility on the planet than the SandCan system, it is also part of the smartest proppant logistics support network in the business. Sand cans can be filled at the mine. In other systems, the next step would be a transload site, But with the material security of the SandCan and the versatility of the RT290, any rail siding can become a transload site. Pick a central point in your operation and you'll have sand on hand. Think about what that will do for your last mile, and your first mile, and every mile along the way. This method puts drivers even closer to the well sites. You save precious operating and capital costs, and they earn more money. Simplicity, speed, safety, convenience, versatility, and savings. There is no better containerized system for proppant and well site utility on the planet than the SandCan system. And the SandCan is made right here in the USA. Have more questions? Want to see more? Visit www.sandcan.com or call SandCan for a demo today. SandCan, the innovative leader in containerized proppant logistics systems.